Anne Ogden-Gaffney, and I just want to talk to you today about tomatoes. Actually about de-seeding tomatoes, because when I first started to cook, it used to drive me nuts when a recipe would say take the seeds out of the tomatoes, and I'm like, what? And it would take me ages. And then a friend of mine who was a chef showed me something that was kind of interesting. Now I'm going to do it with two different sorts of tomatoes. This is a beefsteak tomato. I'm just going to move this out the way so you can see what I'm doing. And I also have a little bit of, I'm just going to cut round and get the core of this out, because in all beefsteak tomatoes you don't really need that. Now if you can see in there, that's kind of just all juicy. So all you need to do is just squish it, and all of the seeds will come out. And I was kind of amazed because it really works. So you really don't need to mess around and dig around. You just need to have a little bit of tender loving force on the tomato, and that will get out pretty much all of the seeds. Now if you're using something smaller like a regular tomato or a plum tomato, then what you're going to need to do is just do a little bit of just cutting the core out again. And you can do the same thing, but these are easier because these are full of like little compartments of seeds. These ones not so much. So these ones you can just pull out. And there you go. You have your de-seeded tomatoes. Whoops. Now if you are worried about losing all of this juice, you can literally just put it through a strainer and you'll get the juice, but the seeds will stay behind. And this is really important because for some people, they can't, with certain gastric disorders, they can't eat seeds. So that's why it's important to take the seeds out.